Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. I'm Adisha Putri Lestari. Here I will talk about the country Bhutan. Bhutan is a small country-shaped empire in South Asia that is known as the land of the Dragon of Thunder. The country may not be as popular as India or China as a tourist destination, but Bhutan also has a variety of interesting things. In its history, Bhutan is known by many names such as Lomon, Lo Sendenjong, Lomenkazi, and Lomenjong. Bhutan is known as the hidden city or a remote country of the most beautiful in the world because the beauty of nature is unsurpassed. Referred to as the last Shangri-La, the beauty, simplicity, and natural Bhutan gives a deep impression. The reason why Bhutan is a must visit are located in the mountains of the Himalayas. Bhutan has amazing natural scenery, which makes the country can compete with neighboring countries such as India, the Maldives Islands, or Nepal. As far as the eye can see, tourists will be fascinated with the beauty of the panorama of the mountains are snowy, towering cliffs are high, and the expanse of green land that feels soothing to the eyes. Bhutan is indeed very suitable to be visited by those who love adventure. A visit to Bhutan doesn't miss the opportunity to visit the monastery Tigers Den, very iconic in that it's on the edge of a cliff as high as 3,120 meters. From here, you can also watch the awesome valley of Paro. Not quiet up there, Bhutan has a trail of beautiful and the most difficult was named the Snowman Trek. Through the Snowman Trek, hikers will travel along the border of Bhutan and Tibet as well as they will also pass more than 13 of mountain. The Snowman Trek hikers will be amazed by the incredible views of the Alps. The typical food of Bhutan is under the influence of neighboring countries, namely India and Nepal. The food is quite diverse and very unique. Food Bhutan is renowned for it very spicy. Majority of the food of Bhutan consists of rice given curries or stews, and it will taste more delicious if eaten using hand. Don't waste the opportunity to taste one of the typical food of Bhutan is a very famous named Emadatchi. Emadatchi is a food that is made from cheese and chili boiled chopped. It tastes spicy, salty, and fresh. Usually, Emadatchi is eaten with brown rice. The population of Bhutan is thought as the happiest in the world because they always have a positive outlook towards the life they lead. The friendly attitude of the people of Bhutan also does not need to doubt. They will be happy to help travelers and explain the beauty of Bhutan. The population of Bhutan holds firmly to the belief of the Buddhist traditional stating that every person should always be nice to other people because all living creatures are the reincarnation of living beings. Kindness on the population of Bhutan makes many tourists feel safe and comfortable trip to Bhutan because the people are willing to help and keep the travelers. Bhutan has a lot of festival fun and interesting, therefore still maintain the culture and customs of the ancients. Then the tourists can still watch a wide variety of cultural festivals in Bhutan are very exciting and fun. For example, Sheshu. Sheshu is an annual festival in Buddhism. In the festival Sheshu, monks would wear colorful costume and dance. Watch the festival Sheshu is believed to give thanks and to remove sin. There is also a festival of Punaka, Domcha, which will feature dance religious called Cham. Another festival that is no less interesting to watch in the Festival of Flower Rhododendron, which is usually held in the spring. Spring is the best time for almost the entire flora in Bhutan to bloom. At this festival, we will see about 20 species of rhododendron. Have a temperate climate. Bhutan, there are 4 different seasons, and all the season has temperatures as well as weather friendly throughout the year that allow travelers can continue their journey to explore Bhutan. For example, when the rainy season arrives, tourists will feel it was just a drizzle. Then, when winter temperatures rarely drop below 10 degrees Celsius during the day, that makes winter in Bhutan was more fun than in other countries. While it's the best time to explore Bhutan in the spring and autumn, because the climate is warm and very bright. Well, that's reasons that makes Bhutan so loved to be a favorite destination of the tourists. In Bhutan, in addition to enjoying the beautiful natural scenery, tourists can also participate in cultural events, the arts, traditional games, and come to taste the typical food with the local population. Thank you for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.